So this is number 2 on the SSS packet. So we have sine to the 4th power x. In order, we have to power reduce this to the power of 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to first factor this out so we can use our power reducing formulas. So we're going to factor this out into sine 2 x times sine squared x, So we're going to multiply that out. And now if we look in our power reducing formulas, we have sine squared u is equal to 1 minus cosine 2u over 2. So we're going to use that. So we're going to have 1 minus cosine 2x, because that's our variable x, all over 2 times, since we have another sine squared, we're going to have 1 minus cosine 2x over 2. Okay, so now we're going to FOIL this out. We're going to multiply the fractions in order we can have a single fraction. So we're going to FOIL this out. And we're going to end up with 1 minus 2 cosine 2x plus cosine squared 2x all over 4. Okay, so now we're gonna want to solve for cosine squared 2x. So we're gonna make our life easier, we're gonna make m equal 2x. So we're gonna have cosine squared m, and that is another of our power reducing formulas. In this one, it is 1 plus cosine 2m, because now that's our variable, over 2. So now we have 2m, and we know that m equals 2x, so we're going to plug in 2x. So we're going to have 2 times 2x, which gives us a total of 4x. So now we're going to have a total of 1 plus cosine 4x over 2. So now we're going to plug this in back to our original equation. So we're going to end up having 1 minus 2 cosine of 2x plus 1 plus cosine 4x over 2. And this is all over 4. So now we have here, we don't have the fraction over fraction, so not to make that confusing. We know this is over 1 and this is over 1, so we're all going to multiply this times 2 so it has the same denominator. So now we're going to have 2 minus 4 cosine of 2x plus, and we know that this stays the same because it's already a denominator 2, so we have 1 plus cosine of 4x, and now all of this is over 2, which is over 4. So now we want to get rid of the denominator 4, so we're going to multiply times the reciprocal, which is 1/4. That cancels, and when we do the bottom, we also do to the top. So we're going to have, we're going to multiply that across, and our final answer is, well, these two combine like terms, so we're going to have 3 minus 2 cosine of 4 cosine 2x plus cosine of 4x all over 8. And that is our final answer.